Wondering how to sell or buy any coin at all, right? In this video I'll be teaching you how to sell or buy your coin, right, from Bybit. Now in my previous video I taught you guys how to use Bybit, okay, to buy your USDT, which is through P2P. Okay, so we're going to use that USDT we bought now to buy any other coin. For instance, if you your Bybit wallet, then you click on asset. You click on this asset. Let me move this. You click on this asset. Okay. If you click on asset, this is the USDT I bought. I bought $23.7. Look at it here. So let me teach you more about Bybit. So this in your wallet, we have this is it. Okay, this is 23.72 dollars. That's what I bought. Now what do you need to do in this phase? Now I want to teach you something about this phase. We have two most important wallets here, and they are called, the first one is called the funding wallet, and then the other one is called the unified trading. Very important. When you buy a coin through P2P, go and watch my, if you have not watched my video on buying a coin through P2P, do that. Okay, the link is on the description. So now once you buy a coin from once you buy USDT from P2P, I hope you still remember how to get the P2P. P2P is gotten from, if you press your home, you press more, then you will see the P2P. Look at the P2P trading here. This is the P2P, right? But that is not what we are doing now. We have done that in the previous video. We are here to teach you how to buy coin. Now, if you press your assets, you press your funding, because that is where the USDT will land. See my own here. I hope you can see it. The USDT I bought through P2P landed here. All right. Now, immediately you have your USDT here. If you want to buy any coin at all, first of all, this funding, I call it my home, your house. All right, I call it my house. Now if you want to buy anything from the market, you have to go to the market with your money before you can buy something. So I call this funding home, okay, and then call this unified trading the marketplace. Okay, this is the marketplace. Now before I can be able to use this my USDT I have here, I have to first of all transfer it to the market. You have to take it to the market first, then you will now come to the market, use your money and buy whatever you want to buy. Okay, so first of all, for us to do it, the first thing to do is to transfer your money from transfer your USDT from what, from your what's it called, from the funding to the unified trading. So what do we do? If you open your funding, like I said, go to asset, open funding, click on that USDT. If you click on that USDT, you will see transfer. Transfer is below. See transfer here. Okay, I'll click transfer. I'll click transfer. If I click transfer, then they will show you here. Look at what it wrote here, that I'm transferring from unified trading to funding, which is wrong. That is not what I'm doing. That is not what I wanted to do. So what do? You have to click on this little thing here, on this little swap key here. If you click on this little swap key, they will not change it. You see, they say that I want to transfer from my funding to my unified trading. I say yes, this is correct. So what do? The next thing to do is you click on max, because for me I want to transfer everything. But if you don't want to transfer everything, you click inside this place. You click inside this box and put the amount of USDT you want to transfer, you want to use and buy the coin. But in this case, me, I want to use everything. So if I want to use everything, I'll press this max. Immediately I press max, you can see that it has changed to everything I have. That is $23.7. Then what do? The next thing you do is to come down and click confirm. You come down and click on this confirm. All right. If you click on confirm, once you click on confirm, they wrote it, you see, successful. They wrote at the top there successful. Now, for you to check if it's really successful, you go back, you go back again and refresh. Sorry, go back again, then you refresh. If you refresh, you see that your USDT now is no longer in the funding again. It is now in my unified trading. That is where I can use it and buy any coin I want to buy. So if you want to buy or sell coin, first of all, that thing you want to buy or sell must be in the unified trading. So let us go ahead and then come to, once your money or your USDT it is now in unified trading, the next thing you do is you now come to the marketplace. This is the marketplace here. Please, not this market, not this one. This one is not the one I'm going to use. I'm going to use trade. I'm not using market. Please use trade. Market is for features. Don't go there, please. Use trade. So what do? I click on trade. Once it's open, now let me explain this environment for you. Now, okay, the last coin I bought was core. Look at it, core/USDT was the last coin I bought, and that is what I wanted to buy. But your own should be in, let me show you how your own is going to be. Your own is going to be in BTC. Let me change it to BTC. BTC. I think by default is usually BTC. Okay, so in this place now, what you do is, the first thing you do is what? You come to this place and change this BTC USDT to the coin you want to buy. Okay, and what I want to buy in this case is core. So what I do is what? I click on it, I click on that BTC USDT, then I'm going to search my core. You click on this place now to search your core. If you search core, you go to core/USDT. Core/USDT, because I want to use USDT and buy the core. I'll click on core/USDT. It will now open. Now the next thing you do is you come down to this place, and change this limit to market. Change it to market. I will explain the meaning of changing it to market. Changing it to market means I want to buy at any amount you want to sell. It's as good as you came to the market with 5,000 now and you want to buy oranges. Okay, you want to buy 5,000 naira worth of oranges, and then there are so many people selling oranges. If you meet the first person said, okay, I have just 1,000 naira own and I want to be selling my own as 20 naira per orange. Say no problem, bring it. You go to the next person say, I want to be selling at 30. They say no problem, bring it. That is how you will be buying everything till you get to that your 5,000. But if you change it to a limit, you have to set the limit you want to buy. Okay, I'm buying it as 20 naira. If you're not selling 20 naira, I'll be in this market waiting till I get somebody that wants to sell for 20 naira. You understand? So that is not what we want to do. We don't want to waste our time because it's nothing too much. The difference is always something very, very small. You understand? If you look at this place, this is where you will see what people want to sell. If you look at this place, okay, in fact, the one that is on red is the one that people want to sell. All right. You see that somebody want to sell it at $2.046, and this is the amount they want to sell. So they will keep buying from all these people till they will buy complete amount you want to buy when it is on market. Okay, and it's done instantly. So if you want instant transaction, you put your own in market. Then the next thing you do is what? Is either you come to this place, now and put in the number of USDT you want to use, or you drag this man to the end if you want to use everything. And this case, I want to buy with everything. Or if you want to buy with 50%, I can decide to drag this man to the 50%. You see, 50%, I'm going to buy with 11 point something dollars. But in this case, I want to buy with everything. I'll drag it to the end, showing that I'm going to buy everything. You see, it is showing your money. It is showing that you are buying with everything you have, $23.7. So the next thing you do, you come down here and click buy. That is how to buy a coin. Very simple. You come here, click buy. Once you click buy, you come down, click buy again. You see, successful. Look at it, successful. Oh, it is successful. Now, immediately it's successful, you go back to your asset. You go back to this asset to check if it's really what I ordered that came. I press the asset again, go back to my unified trading, click the unified trading, then refresh. Oh, beautiful. You see, my money is now in call. We have bought the money, we have bought the call. Now, leaving this your call in the unified trading is as good as you bought the orange and left it at the market there. So what do you do when you buy an orange? You carry it to your house. And how do you carry it to your house? By transfer. So what we do, we click on the call again. You click on the call. Then what's the next thing you do? You come down, you see transfer. See transfer here. You click on the transfer. Then the next thing you do, I want to move everybody. Go home. I'll click on max. Click on this max. Then click on confirm. First of all, you are supposed to check here. Oh, you're supposed to check there, but it is correct. You're supposed to check if you are transferring from unified trading to your main account. So what do we do now? You have transferred it. You see now here is now 0. You go back again, and then you now see that your funding now has the money. Your funding now increased. So if you click on the funding, you will see that the call is now there. You see, my call is now here. That is just simple how to buy a coin. All right, it's very simple. So the next thing we'll learn is how to sell it. How to sell a coin. Okay, so let us just do it in this particular video so that this video will not be buying and selling of coin. Now, if you want to sell a coin, I want to sell this. We have two types of selling. Two types of selling is as good as where you are buying. If you want to buy a coin, you use your naira or your local currency to buy USDT through P2P. Then from P2P, we bought a coin. That is the same way we go back again. Okay, the same way you come, that's the same way you go back. So if I want to get back my naira, the first thing I do is to sell it to USDT. Once you sell this coin now to USDT, USDT is a decentralized coin. It doesn't go up, it doesn't come down. It's your normal dollar. So what you do is, first of all, the call is in your home. Before I can use it to do anything, I have to send it to the market. That by transfer. So the first thing you do is you click on the call. You click on the call. Once it is open, you come down, you will see transfer. You see transfer. You click on transfer. And then check where you are transferring it from. They said here, check here. Here they said, okay, I am transferring it from unified trading to funding. That is wrong. You are supposed to be transferring from funding to unified trading. Unified trading is the market. So I click on this little box again to swap it. Okay, click on it. It is now swapped. Once it is swapped, then what to do? I want to sell everything. I click on max. Okay, but if you don't want to sell everything, maybe you want to sell just $5 own. Okay, now remember that if you look at this place, you are putting the amount of call you want. Now I'll be typing anything I want inside this box and then be checking if it is up to $5. Watch me. Just be putting any number. I'll be putting any number, maybe 527. Okay, sorry. Let me say 52 call. Oh, this one is not showing in dollar. It's supposed to be showing you in dollar. How many dollar it is. Okay, that's for cool coin. Okay, they don't do it here. So you can just check how many you want to sell anyways. So now, so what do? Let us sell everything. Max. Let us transfer everything first. If you transfer everything, even if you don't want to sell everything, just when you transfer everything, when we not get to the side of selling, we can decide the one we want to sell. Now, successful. We have transferred it from our funding to our unified trading. You see, it is no longer here in the funding. It is now in the unified trading. Once it's in the unified trading, it means it is now in the market. It is now in the market. So you go back. What you need to do is for you to go to the market yourself. Going to the market is coming to this trade. Please, never you use this one. Never you use this one. Okay? We don't use it for anything. So we come to the trade. You click on trade. It's automatically call here. Okay, call/USDT. But if it is not, you click on it and change it to call/USDT. Then we are no longer staying on the side of buy. You know, when we did buy, we are on the side of buy. This time around, I'm going to click this side of sell so that it will come to the side of sell because I'm about to sell. Okay, so what do? I click on this sell. Once I click on this sell, if I don't want to sell everything, I can drag this thing and put, okay, I want to sell just 50% of it. Or I want to sell everything. Then once you drag it, you want to sell everything. And make sure that this place is written market. Make sure that here is market. If it is limit, it will take time. If you want it immediately, keep it in market. Always I advise to keep it in market. Then what do? You click on sell. Once you click on sell, you click on sell again. Is sold successfully. You will see it at the top. It is successful. So now the next thing, you go back to your asset to check if it has changed. You click on that your unified trading. See that, you see it has changed from what's it called? It has changed from call to USDT. So I can decide to leave my money in dollar like this till Jesus comes. This is how it's going to be. It doesn't go up, it doesn't come down. So in the next video, we'll now talk of how to sell this your dollar now to get back your naira. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a beautiful video like this, YouTube will notify you. Bye bye.